Hi guys, this is Grootman the Voice, and you guys are watching Inside Mbombela.
Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Inside Mbombela. I'm still your host, Leo Gant. This goes to prove, like, usually you tend to attract whatever you speak against. Backtrack a bit. Earlier in the year, we said that we don't go out of our way to actually interview musos, but voila, here we are. So, I'm not going to talk too much, but Miss Ma'am, please introduce yourself to my people.
Hello, humans. I am Grootman the Voice, Dando Entle, my Sego on number plate ID. Yeah, that as well. Yes, I am from Nelspruit. I am a musician.
So, sidebar, I know we like halfway through the year, but we have to declare this the year of the musos, because if you go back all the way back, you will realize that we've had more musos this year than any other season. So,
but then we also have the AI musos. Don't worry, we still have them as well. This year we've been underground because we have to like overachieve,
overexert yourself because
wow, AI will kashela you so bad. You'll even redo your song. So sad, bro.
Sorry, sweetie. I think the first question, straight off the bat, I don't understand it. You had the whole 26 letters of the alphabet to construct the name, and you landed on Grootman the Voice, not the Voice. There's an extra E.
Yeah, there's a D.
You wanna talk us through that?
Grootman the Voice. Yes, I'm a very versatile person when it comes to music. I majored in jazz vocals. So I wanted to know how to read this thing, how to write this thing on a score sheet, than just going in the studio recording and I'm done. What if now they hire an orchestra for me and then, I can't bring my score sheet and you can't. Okay, but then the name, cool. So my versatility. I love doing a lot of different genres. So I didn't want to call myself genre. Oh, fun. But then there's like, Grootman. You see, a person who has like achieved something, like it's a greater good, man. Like, I'm gonna call Grootman, he's gonna sort you.
Yeah.
So I want them to be like, hey, when Grootman comes on stage, you'll be like,
it's
wow.
On.
Yeah, and it's not expected. Usually when I go on stage, they expect a guy, a big ass guy to like show up, and this tiny ass girl comes in there with a big ass voice. Yeah.
The funny part is, I usually stay off anything visual. Like my ears do the talking as far as musically speaking. So when I was told Grootman the Voice, I was like, okay, cool. Then we started prepping for it, and I was like, oh dude, we need to start talking about our next interview. I want to know as much as possible about him. And he went, our next him, it's a her. And I was like, what do you mean? He's like, yeah, that's a question all by itself. Yeah. Good night. And then we left it there. So I was like, Grootman is a she. Interesting.
But do you like it?
No, it works. I've never had to call any female Grootman before.
Yeah.
So.
And I've built the name, like, now people know there's Grotman. I don't even feel like changing it anymore.
No, don't change.
Yeah, there
Don't
were
change.
people asking, why don't you, your name is so beautiful, Ntando Ant, it's so beautiful. I was like, no, I'm Grotman, brah. Like, if you can't get it, forget about it. Yeah.
So, wait. So, for the purpose of this particular conversation, you want to be referred to as?
Grotman.
Yeah. Okay. Sharp. Okay, Grot. Sharp. Welcome to Inside Mobile.
Thank you so much for having me.
Away. So, wait. How did you fall in love with music? Like, when did you guys? Who introduced you guys? Like, was it a chance meeting or it just happened like that?
I grew up staying with my grandparents. My grandfather was a pastor, a very good one. Yeah, if I might add. Yeah, he was a very good pastor. So, I grew up in church, so I'm in the praise team, youth, I'm singing, everywhere I'm singing. But then, man, low-key, you wouldn't just play me just gospel. Yeah, he would play me nice things, man. Like, things I still refer to this day. I'm like, oh, yeah, this nigga was really into something. Like your Jimmy Reeves.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, so he was like proper. You see, Abraham, who passed away this week, the jazz cat, Abraham Abdul, the jazz cat.
Wait, Abdullah Brahim?
Yes.
Abdullah Brahim passed away?
Yes.
I just found out. I'm not gonna shit like...
Yeah, at the age of 91. So he used to play that for me. And I was like, oh, this is nice. Okay. I went to go study other things. I did that. Got that. Secured it. It's in the bag. But I still wanted this. I'm a very artistic person. I'm a fashion designer as well. So I was like, no, man, I want to go study music. I'm going. Already I'm I am going. I've been doing this high school now. I'm in choir, performing classical music, doing everything at Meridian. I was here at Meridian. Kuro Meridian. So I was like, I'm fine. I can't just let this dream just die out because now maybe I'm out of high school or no longer in my childhood phases and stuff like that. It's not just a hobby. I love this. Even if I don't become famous, but then as long as my music touches someone out there, I'll be so glad.
Done.
Yeah, so I was like, I'm fine, I'm going for it.
Nice. Okay, cool. You said that your grandfather was a good pastor.
Yeah.
As opposed to?
No, man, not as opposed to anyone, man. Like they passed this out here where you are sitting through a sermon and it's not touching you, like you actually fall asleep or you're not feeling like you taught or you are being touched. He didn't just make it about a Bible. He made you want to understand what a Bible was, what was inside, not the words which were just there. Like he would literally explain it. Yeah.
Okay. Sidebar. A few years ago, I was attending a service on Youth Day, like Youth Month. Let me just say it was Youth Month. And this dude got up onto the pulpit and went out of his way to say that, no, the youth of today is this, the youth of today is that. And I was thinking to myself, but you have youth of today in this house right now who are here. Why are you telling us about what everybody else is doing outside? Like we at least did one thing right? Why don't you give us our flowers?
They also forget that we don't live in the same era that they grew up in. Yeah, we different. We way different. Because now okay, and then what? I'm color.
Done.
Yeah.
Well put. Nice hair, by the way.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, sweetie, do you think would you say that you had a cool childhood? Like it was happy, joyous, colorful?
No, it was not colorful. It was mixed, man. It was happy. It was sad at points, like really sad. But then I pulled through, man. With prayer.
Yeah.
I pulled through with prayer, learning how to fast. he taught me that, that guy was chilled, man. You see, so being a prayerful person, I feel like that could help me pull through from whatever situations that I grew up in and being the person that I am today.
Nice.
Yeah.
What do you think the youth of today could learn from fasting as a way of life?
Ooh, fasting, guys. I don't know. A lot of people don't believe in. Hey, futhi now, a lot of people don't. Hey, when you start talking about God, it's like you're boring them. But then, you're sure of it. You sure of it in a proper way. Don't oppress it on them or sure like you don't want to force them into what you believe in.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So I fast so that God can hear me in my purest form without anything that I've intaken or things like that. I do it on Tuesdays. If you're not used to fasting, if I have a friend which I'm praying for and I want them to join the fast with me and they're not used to fasting, they would fast from maybe like 12 a.m. to maybe 12 during the day, and maybe meetings would go until 4.
Okay.
You see, and we pray, read the Bible, or just get quotes that I can send to them. I don't want to force, you see, my religion on them.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll just send them something which will motivate them and tell them, okay, Mgani, after you see this video, just go pray. I'll also be praying now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think more than anything else, people don't fast because of the culture we live in, instant gratification. And I feel like you need to give before you receive. So I think that's just me. It's not scientific. Don't come after me. I get it shut. So, sweetie, which was the first song you sang in public out loud, and it kind of made you feel like, wait a minute, there's something here.
There's a banger.
There's something here. Like I think I should explore this further.
Ooh, darling, it's a classical piece.
Oh.
By Catherine Jenkins. Sarah Brightman has done it. The classical one, not the. Also, not that Sarah Brightman, but then it's called Nella Fantasia in my imagination. You can check it on my socials. Yeah, I can't dance to save my life. I had ballet girls dance while I was singing. You've seen it? Yeah, so it was like it was a very deep piece because it was talking after the war. Like it was, okay, now it's after the war. So how would you imagine the world that would live in after the war?
Post-war.
Yeah.
So for the benefit of people who have no idea who Miss Fontaine is, would you mind a few lines in from it? How does it go?
Nella fantasia, lo vido d'muna ciusco, lo sogno d'anime, che sogna sempre libere. Come nelle nuvole che volano intorno dito in fondo all'anima. Whoa! I'm sorry.
Okay, cool. Cut and print. I'm done. Can you wrap it up?
Oh my God.
I think my job is done. Like what?
I got goosebumps.
I was getting goosebumps.
I still have. What are you talking about? You guys are done with it? Damn, girl.
I did as well. Yeah, my hands are very cold now. I'm so sorry.
No, but wait a minute. Okay, fine. We go like when somebody walks into your space and okay, cool. Leo, this is Grootman, she's our guest for today and everything. Then you come through with that hair and those pants and and I'm like, okay, cool. So at some point, I know that that's not your genre, but you could easily beatbox and that would be okay with me.
Yeah, I would.
Then you pull up this voice that I bet you can do as dope as Eva Maria.
Yeah.
Okay.
I told you I dabble. Oh, this genre is nice. This genre is nice. This is nice. I've never heard this. Let me try it.
Damn.
Yeah, that's why I want to be hot man.
Let's talk me through Ungawari, your first major single.
I've only collaborated with, I think, a few artists, and then before we took out Ungawari, there is Don't Worry, Everything Will Be Fine. It's an international version
Of the same song?
Yes.
Okay.
So with a lot of artists from around the world.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Wait, you did a version of We Are the World?
Yeah. It was Grammy nominated. It's a proper song.
Wait a minute. How did I miss that in my research? I found myself on research, by the way.
Yeah, I'll send you the link. Don't Worry, Everything Will Be Fine was orchestrated by BJ Sam. He's a very good producer. Yeah, so he was like, don't you want to take out a South African version of the song?
Yeah.
I was like, really? Can I? He was like, yeah, you can. Because now the chorus mostly on the global song is mostly the chorus that I'm doing on Ungawari.
Okay.
So he was like, oh, your backings, everything that you incorporated into the song, it's very catchy, it's chilled.
Wait, sweetie, let's backtrack a bit. On the international version, how many artists were there and which countries and locales were there from?
I think 17 artists, because we're including now instrumentalists as well.
Yeah.
Grammy award-winning instrumentalists as well.
And it was Grammy nominated.
Yeah, last year, yeah. We took out the song in May, and then we took out Ungawari after.
Yeah. Okay.
So I did the song with Hanok. Yeah, he just sent the beat he was in Nigeria, I think, the time he sent the beat.
Yeah.
We worked on it. I heard the beat when we got to studio. I was like, okay, I don't even know what to say. But then this sounds nice. Already, I think I heard it in the car.
Yeah.
And I was like, I was writing something. And then I was like, you know what, crash this. When we got there, I was like, you know what, let's flow. Ungawari, noma kumnyama, ungesabi, kuse. Like,
it just came to you.
Yeah, kuse, it'll get better. Like, kusazokanya. Like, oh man.
Wow. So now, Ungawari drops and you're on high rotation, you've got everything in the palm of your hand, and just when people are starting to think that, oh, one hit wonder or Neo's Katsakis Lulile, then you feature
Don't Pressure.
Don't Pressure.
Yeah.
Like how did that happen?
Ektineni, kwenhlitiyo, lava yimela kona. Oh man, he sent me the beat. I'm working on this. What do you think? Yo, I also don't know. And I was like, okay, I'll come up with a concept. I'll think about it. So the day we get to studio,
Yeah.
I'm like, Ntwana, record, and I do the chorus. Oh, I do the chorus and then I do the backings after. And until I'm done. So they like watching, like, okay, so I'm recording myself. Okay, it's good. Go back to the mic. Good. When I'm done, I was like, okay, now play. Yo!
Wow.
Okay.
So it just clicked like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna my engu so he's asking me like it's where the person who's or who I'm waiting for or the person who I'll get will find me. That's what I'm sure to do and I told you at the end of my heart.
Damn.
Yeah.
Man, who were you talking about?
Yeah,
The person. There's no person. I'm saying like when that person gets to, I'll know that person is the one. Yeah, because like me, like I'm Grotman as well. I take a, you see, Grotman protects Ntando Entle at times. Yeah, that's why I'm by myself. I'm okay with that. Okay. Yeah. So mfana. When he gets there, I'll know this one is a gent.
Right.
Yeah.
So I look at Persia and I think this bastard must be a difficult person to work with. Like
ooh, nigga love me. Bro, me and Pressure met probably 15 years ago at a boot camp in Gombazi. It was hosted by a lady from, I think she's from Kenya or something. It was a 7-day boot camp. Awesome things. And then we lost contact.
Yeah. And
then when I came back to Nelspruit, I saw him, he DM'd me on Facebook. And we started talking. Antana, I remember you, Prince. Oh, Grotman, I see you making waves. Oh, Shafere. Antana, we need to work on something. Okay, And then, yeah, we exchanged numbers. And the friendship grew from even that last time. Yeah. Like, Mfana Pressure is so chilled. Like, he's my friend. Like, yeah, when I'm Ganamje, mngani yatin namuhlane, ngiyabanza. Mngani ngathi ngahlala. Noma just ngahlala etukwenzaba. Like, and just chill there in my warmest clothes and then just chill there and meditate. Like, Pressure, we talk about the most deepest things. He's like my friend. Like, he's a very chilled person.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No, Don. He's a Don. He has to be a Don.
No, I got you.
Yeah.
Can you do me a favor? Mm-hmm. The last time when he was seated when you are, he said I was hosting him. More than a few times on camera. Please tell him that I'm chilled. I'm a nice dude after all. And he's mistaken.
He's okay. Yeah, he's okay. Mngani right. Yeah, all right. Yeah, unale, you know, that the zeal. Yeah, oh grand man. Unale, yeah, una spice nyana mngani, like spice like is not that hard.
So now, sweetie, we've been privileged enough to hear a few tracks. Of your unreleased music. Yes. So is it safe to say that there's an album coming up?
There's an EP coming up. I just need to pack my bags. Then you'll hear it when it's out. Because I don't want to say it will come out maybe next week or something. Yeah, I don't want to get your hopes up. I just want you guys to be surprised. It's my first ever EP. I'm a perfectionist. That's why I haven't taken out maybe like a single on my own or anything like that. So I wanted it to be at that level. It was okay. So I see those people now. Okay, when are you dropping the song? Yeah. When are you dropping this song? Oh, when are you drop? You see now, if people are saying that, I feel like okay,
there's something there.
Yeah,
that I need to
I'm cooking. You see, so that means an EP is on the way.
Okay, cool. So, with what you told me about the difference between an EP and an album, how many tracks should we look out for on this particular EP?
Probably 4 tracks and 1 bonus. Yes.
The one that we know,
Tando is going to be part of that EP, and the bonus is also Tando. So I have the full version that I've performed that you've heard, and then I have a bass and a piano version. It's also flipping beautiful. Like, yeah, I also cry tears at times when I listen to the things. But then,
who influences you in music? Your style is very different. Who would you say? What does Grotman the voice listen to on a normal day to get inspiration musically?
I listen to Elsie. I listen to weird things.
Oh, trust me. We do weird very well.
And I'm mostly a person who listens to instrumentalists, like your horn players, your instrumentalists. Like, I don't really usually listen to vocalists as much because I want to check the horn so I can execute it with my voice. So I listen to your Fela Kutis, I listen to your Fatima, I listen to Jesma Horn, South Africans, Bongile, Zoe Mudicha is a proper one. And guys, Shem, no zonke, guys, ningambeli phansi.
No, we have a healthy respect for Zonke.
Yes, doll.
But she's not better than Lulu.
Okay, yeah, we don't cut like
Okay,
I said
Sha.
low better or
Okay,
low
Sha.
yeah.
They do their thing.
They're doing
Yeah,
their thing. I'm just saying
Mutu has
Viva did a wonderful job raising them both. But if I had to choose between Zonke and Lulu,
You choose Lulu.
I'm sorry, Zonke Shem. I love you, but Lulu takes the cup.
And your Jabulile Majola.
Yeah?
Yeah, you go there. There's also Stirman Ensemble, man. A friend of mine is a trombone player. Woo, flipping good. What else? Do you need a lot of things?
No.
I
No, we're
listen to
good.
I listen to a lot of things. Nigerian music, not the ones that they play, your Afro, those oones that they culturally play. Those yeah, those ones I listen to. Yeah, like you check.
So, sweetheart, what should we look forward to from? I know you've got an album, EP, any videos?
We are currently working on Ngimele Wena.
Yeah.
We're working on a music video for Ngimele Wena. Even though it's like it released now in Feb.
Yeah.
But then we're still gonna take out that. We don't go with anyone's timing. God's timing is the best, hey? Yeah, so we're definitely using God's timing. And yeah, just look out for that video. It'll be out soon and very soon.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Are you signed or are you an independent artist?
I'm an independent artist. I'm currently looking for an artist manager though. Yes. Because I got this other guy, but then he shared my kanda kupansi. So I really
Lessons were learned though, right?
Yeah, very, very broad ones. Yeah, so I'm looking for an artist manager. Like, I need a whole team. Yeah, because the waves that I want to be making now, there's a lot. I have over 60 songs or 70 songs waiting to be heard.
Wow.
So I want to be heard now. I'm not going by anyone's timing or anything. People will be like, oh, but I want to keep logo. I want to feel ready for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I don't want to be, I just want to be me, myself, and I. No mangenzi show endlini, like that's a show. I don't need to be on a big stage or anything like that. I just want everyone to be comfortable and like what I'm doing and, receive it in the way that I felt like I was hearing it when I was recording. Yeah.
We were talking about it just before you arrived. Like it would be nice for, and like such a performance where it's intimate. There's 40 people max in one room, and you feel like each member of the audience feels like they are part of the production. You're talking to them individually. So yeah, to lending.
I'll definitely
and sell
do
tickets.
it. Yeah, I'll definitely do that. A friend of mine called Look My World. Ooh, another satanist in the music industry. Very, very good one. Oh, and I forgot on my song selection, Maxwell Baloyi. You must check him out. He's a good one. Look My World. My friend does shows every year. But then he's been doing a 3-year consistent show that he hosts once a year. Even though I'll host the other ones during the year, he has that one specific show that he has every year. Ooh, that guy is good.
Damn.
He's good.
What's we've spoken about this before with other artists who happen to be seated where you are today, and I got the thought again now when you said that you and Pressure met at
A boot camp.
A boot camp,
Yeah.
right? And who was it who said that if he were to do that, passion.
That's the imagine.
So how come, I mean, somebody built that, provided that platform for you guys to actually meet?
It was a Christian boot camp.
That's fine. but how come there's no current interpretation of such? How come all of that happened
15 years ago.
and then this has not been?
And the person was not even from South Africa. The lady who was hosting the boot camp.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think she was from Kenya. I think she was from Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then, like, here, like, as Funi keep imali, we don't want to invest in things that we just keep on talking about, hey, the youth doesn't want to do this, the youth doesn't want to do that. Give them things, man, like, host shows. You see young people like things in what we live in now. At the place that I live at there,
yeah.
If you didn't want people to go maybe be smoking around the public and things like that, build a smoking zone for them, build a library, make a pool, build a swimming pool.
Occupy their minds.
Yeah, occupy their minds. Find something that they can do than just saying they should not be. What should they be doing then?
Provided for them.
Yeah.
I just got it now in this sense. I go to like, clearly you're musically inclined. But do you play any instruments?
I dabble with piano.
Dabble?
I dabble.
Dabble.
Dwa, 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 dwa. Yeah, dabble. I'm not a pianist.
Yeah.
But I dabble.
Okay.
Oh, I attempted to play the bass.
Bass?
Oh, I love bass.
I can hear you do doom, doom, doom.
Yeah. Yeah, because like
that.
when I'm in studio, I'm like, Mngani, it's in la. Not even on a score or anything. I tell my band, oh guys, now they call the Mighty Trio. Oh, flippin' awesome guys.
Nice.
Munewa, Dumelo, and Maloya. My bassist is Maloya.
Yeah.
My pianist is Dumelo, and my drummer is Munewa.
Yeah.
My lead guitarist is KG. Oh,
Shout out to them.
yeah, shout out to them,
like,
yo.
honestly. I like
guys.
the fact that you name them by name.
Yeah, cause like, yo, fana, those guys, they be like, oh, Rodman, utini, utufunani. It's, yeah, I'm telling you this now. And then they put it the way I, like,
the way you saw it in your mind.
Yeah, the way I saw it in my mind, they actually deliver. Yo, mfana, those guys are good.
Future you, would you like to appear on something like maybe a tiny desk?
Yeah, probably.
I can see you on tiny desk.
Like, you see how, you see tiny desks, okay, they at the tiny desk venue. Okay, I like those ones, they're nice. But then have you seen FKJ's tiny desk at his own place or a place that I chose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what does the future hold for you?
The future, billions.
Would you settle for millions?
Nah. Okay, I would settle, but then I would still make billions.
Billions. No?
Yeah.
It's just a stepping stone.
Yeah. Because
That extra zero is actually quite important.
not even musically.
Ne?
Yeah, because there's a lot of things I want to do. I love kids. I definitely love kids. So probably open schools for music and teach music to kids, or orphanages like around the world, not just in South Africa.
Not just in South Africa.
Yeah, because I feel like, hey guys, Africa, okay, but it's segregated. We still won.
It is one.
Yeah,
It is
we
one.
still won, man. Like, so I don't have the xenophobia that other people have. My dad is from Malawi. My mom is from Mozambique. I was born in South Africa. They were born here, but my family is all
Everywhere.
over.
Everywhere.
So no one to say, what is your culture? I'm like, I don't have a culture. I dress like a white person on Heritage Day.
That's fine. Springbok t-shirt. Why not?
You see?
No
So it's
culture.
like, it's not major. Yeah.
You answered my question. So now this is for my producer. What does the future hold for Grootman V Voice musically?
Ooh, stages and kids knowing how to sing because you see my teacher. Yeah, but then like I don't just want to be on stage just to perform. I want to touch someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like, that's why I haven't released most of my songs. Because when I release, I don't want people to expect, oh, she's going to do this. I want it to be a banger. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah, so I am expecting broader horizons, like very high ones. I also want to be scared. I want to be shaken.
Don't worry.
I want to be shaken.
English.
You are knowing what?
It's alive.
Yes, you are knowing.
That's a new word. Shaken. I like that. Don't be shaken when you see this.
Yeah, I want to be shaken. I mean, like,
not stirred.
I don't. And I was like, oh, I didn't expect that. Yeah.
You know, it's nice to meet another idiot. Like, honestly speaking, stop making people feel weird and awkward. Okay?
Oh God.
Silivele out there. Embrace the idiot next to you right now. You mind?
I was at Home Affairs, Boma, I think 2 weeks back, Bengenzi passport, and like, people are looking at me like, oh, hello guys, I'm a person. I'm still a person. I'm still like you. It's just my hair. Oh, okay. I'm okay.
Nah, don't worry. Literally, I stay away from anybody who takes themselves too seriously.
Yeah.
I feel like, why are you going out of your way to invite stars in your life? It's gonna come anyway. Find an avenue just to be you. Then you'll come back to be uniform with everybody else.
Yeah.
But oversharp with that. This is called Make Your Producer Happy Day. Yeah, I just made that holiday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's today.
Ooh, la la.
It's today.
21st of
June. It's called Make Your Producer Happy
Father's
Day.
Day
Father's
in
Day.
South Africa.
Father's Day in South Africa. Yeah. So, can you please, for Stelo, do a young a cappella just to wrap this up just for us today?
Okay, Stelo loves Tando. Okay, guys. Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Oh, hi. Tando, we Tando, Tando, Tando. Ubuya nini Tando la paka karoezo. Tando, we Tando, Tando, Tando. Ubuya nini Wena ubuya nini Tando. Ndifunana nawe, ndiyo ikangelana nawe. Kaubuye Wena Tando, baka karoeoka. Ndifunana nawe, ndiyo ikangelana nawe. Nga kaubuye Wena Tando. Pata Dolorezo, Leayo, Layay, Leayo, yeah, Leayo, Laya, Paroeza, Poa, we Tando, Dicho Wena Tando, we Tando. Ubuya nini Tandola Baza Paroezo.
That's my favorite song.
That's why I needed the box.
That's why you needed the box. No, the box works.
Yeah.
No, like honestly, thanks for the twins. Thank you for the twins.
Thank you for the
box.
twins, yeah.
Like, honestly, provided the box.
Shout out to the twins.
Seriously, nothing but love for you too.
Yeah.
Do you think that we forgot anything that you want to put a spotlight on?
Ooh. Okay, guys, I really appreciate this platform that you guys are doing. It is mind-blowing. No one is doing it. They're bashing each other out here and all that. And it's all about positivity out here.
Yeah.
Positivity. Yeah. Yeah, but then, guys, I pray that God multipliers and anvulele a whole lot of doors. Because wow, this is very special and very genuine. Yeah, I don't even know how you guys came up with this, but then it's definitely lit. And I enjoyed being here. Definitely. Yo, I really did. I was so nervous. Oh man, I called him. I was like, oh, so should I wear like a superstar or like, it's so cold and should I wear like heels? He was like, no, just be yourself.
Just be you.
Yeah.
Just be you. I almost wore scrubs today.
Oh, really? You should have.
I have pink scrubs. Thanks for the kind words from your lips to God's ears.
Yes.
And you guys are on the first name basis. So
Oh, don't I am
done.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. How can people get a hold of you for bookings and?
Oh, as I told you guys, I don't have a manager of yet. So guys, if you're watching this interview and you are an artist manager, please leave a comment there and we'll definitely contact you as Inside Mbombela. But on Facebook, I'm Grotman The Voice. Instagram, I'm Grotman The Voice. So it's G_The Voice. Okay, what else? X. YouTube, Grotman The Voice. I have a channel there. There's a few things, but then we're trying to build something. Yeah, but then you can get me on all social media platforms as Grotman The Voice. And I'm currently live most days or most weekends. Yeah, on my TikTok. It's also Grotman The Voice. I hope you guys enjoyed this interview. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget.
Yes.
Inside Mbombela. Do you understand that? Inside.
Mbombela.
Thank you.
Thank you for the public service. You need to be told. Guys, thanks for all the comments. Thank you for watching this Fiso episode. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. We're feeling the love. We're loving the comments. TK, thanks for this Fiso heads up. Hope you like my comment. And other than that, feeling the love. Loving the progress. Inside Mbombela. Your boy, Leo.
Times I move and I mean, I cannot explain it, do you?